Shiba Inu will go to 10 cents on Wall Street. Many people who wanted to get rich quickly and become very wealthy have found that cryptocurrencies have changed the game for them. During the bull run, SHIB helped a Wall Street boss make a lot of money. When you talk to crypto millionaires, they will tell you how they got rich quickly. But can we say they were successful right away? No, that is the short and simple answer. The key to their success was knowing how to find good crypto investments, having the patience to wait for them to pay off, and knowing when to cash in on those profitable crypto investments. Also, we will give $100 to one of our members at random. All you have to do is like, subscribe, and comment on this movie. The dog's name is Shiba Inu. This is true for a man who used to work on Wall Street and made a lot of money in the Bitcoin market. When the bull market was at its peak, his original investment of over $20,000 in Shiba Inu, which he made when the coin was still fairly new, turned into $1.5 million. The health of the group around a cryptocurrency project is very important to its success and future. If the community doesn't back a Bitcoin project, it can be hard for it to be successful. Shiba Inu has a large and active group of crypto whales, people who work in the industry, and people who have a good eye for projects with untapped potential. It shouldn't be a surprise that the Shiba Inu breed is set up for long-term success, wealth, and survival. Based on how much support it gets from the community and what the Shiba Inu price is expected to be in 2023, the value of the coin is expected to rise. As the burn rate keeps going up, the price of the Shiba Inu coin is expected to reach some exciting highs between 2023 and 2030, with a peak value of 10 cents. There are clear signs that the price of Shiba Inu coins will continue to rise. Now, big names on Wall Street are changing how they feel about cryptocurrency. In 2017, Larry Fink, the CEO of BlackRock, said that Bitcoin was a measure of how much money was being laundered. Last week, the head of the world's biggest asset manager said something very different about the most famous cryptocurrency. He said that it is digitizing gold and might change the way money is handled. Then there is Ken Griffin, who is also a wealthy investor. 2 years ago, he said that the sector was a jihadist call against the dollar, which was not a good thing. His electronic trading company, Citadel Securities, now offers a newly built platform that lets institutional investors trade digital assets. Just now, this platform was made public. Fidelity Investments is another good example. It is the biggest 401k administrator in the United States. No one would think of the 77-year-old veteran of the banking world as a rebel against the establishment. But it is also making progress in a number of ways to get into the market for cryptocurrencies. Along with Citadel Securities and Charles Schwab, it started letting employees put some of their retirement money in cryptocurrency instead of standard money a year ago. Fidelity Digital Assets, a division of the company, also put money into the new coin exchange. Also, like BlackRock, it has started asking the Securities and Exchange Commission for permission to start a publicly traded fund that will track the current value of Bitcoin. It is making the bold claim that this could free the financial system from Wall Street and the federal government. In the United States, the Bitcoin business was able to build a strong following. But even though the industry has been falling for a long time and the SEC has put in place strict new rules, many of Wall Street's biggest firms are trying to buy crypto. This year, Bitcoin has come back in a big way. Since the beginning, the price has almost tripled, It went up a lot in March because people didn't trust the banking system after hearing that some mid-sized banks had failed. It has gone up again in the past few weeks after news that institutions are interested in the product. CEO of the digital asset management platform, Hashnote, Leo Mizuhara, says that cryptocurrency is a new asset class. He thinks that more institutions should be serious about Bitcoin. Wall Street's interest in crypto should be seen as a good way to deal with a bad need. I've always thought that crypto and Bitcoin would be around for a long time. Before it can change the world, it needs to be known by a lot of people. We're only on the second of 10 steps right now, but we're getting there. Shiba Inu is surrounded by a flood of praise and strong backing from investors who want it to do well. The buyers were sure that SHIB would go over the $0 one mark sooner or later, which would help them reach their financial goals. If the same 100 billion tokens had been kept and sold on the market today, the original investment of 103 in August 2020 would be worth more than $1 million. That is a huge return on investment that could not have been made with any other asset type, not even Bitcoin, Ethereum, or the stock market. The price went from $103 to $1 million in just 3 years, which is a rise of almost 977,837%. The Blockchain Futurist Conference, Canada's biggest and longest-running Web3 event, has finally started. Tens of thousands of people from all over the world will be there to talk about the future of blockchain technology. The main title sponsor of the event is the Shiba Inu brand, and important announcements are on the schedule because of this. Shiba Inu gave his word. At the start of the week, there was a lot of energy, and people enjoyed the fact that it would be a busy week. Lucy, a part of the Shiba Inu team, tweeted about the Shiba excitement that was about to be shown for the first time. Satoshi Kusama, the boss of Shiba Inu, will give a talk called Dear Humanity, an insider's perspective through artificial intelligence. Members of the Shiba Inu community who couldn't make it to the event can watch it live on Shibarium Tech Discord or the CoinMarketCap. Shiba Inu's main character, Satoshi Kusama, had already hinted that big news was coming. So, as had been said before, joy was to be expected. Kusama gave hints about a big reveal that will only be for people who now release tokens. The head creator of the Shiba Inu project said he wanted to share something special. The next day, a new way to use the leash token would be made public.